Review page 2. Okay, this is area. And for this one, we're going to use Heron's formula. And this was that the area is equal to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. And this mysterious S comes from adding up all the sides and dividing by 2. Not 3, 2. So when I do that and I add 10, 12, and 8 and divide it by 2, 10, 12, 8, oh silly, that's 30. So that would be 15. This is for non-right triangles. So for a right triangle, you would do 1/2 base times height, but we don't actually have the height here. We just have all 3 sides. So S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And A, B, C, P, H, K, whatever, it doesn't really matter. The order doesn't matter here. 15 minus 10, 15 minus 12, and 15 minus 8. All under the square root, all multiplied together. You get 39.686. And that would be kilometers squared because it's area. Okay, next one. Now we're into conics. We're at the standard form of the circle. So remember, circles are x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Our h is 7, our k is negative 10, so x minus 7, y minus 10, and then my radius squared is 4. Classifying each conic section, I only see one of the variables that is squared. That means that this is a parabola. I see both of my variables are squared with coefficient with a plus sign. That's ellipse. Okay, identify the vertices and foci, sketch the graph. Okay, first, the center, opposites. 3, negative 1. What is it? Ellipse. Not good at cursive. Okay. 3, negative 1 is your center. Now this is your A squared. So your A is 3. This is your B squared. So your B is 6. The A is under the X, meaning that you go side to side 3, and you go up and down 6. Connect those for your ellipse. These are called the vertices. So those would be at 3, 5, and 3, negative 7. Those are your vertices. Now your foci come from this formula, which is a squared minus b squared equals c squared. And then you got a square root just to get the foci. So, or b squared minus a squared. I mean, that'll give you a negative if you do it this way. But anyways, you subtract them. 36 minus 9, which is going to be 25. No, that's 27. Stupid. All right, 27, which is approximately, well, it's a little bit bigger than 5, right? About 5.2. So you're going to go from that center, and you're going to go up 5.2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.2. That was more like 4.2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.2. And those are your foci. So the ordered pairs of your foci come from the center, which is the 3, negative 1, and then we went up square root of 27, which is 3 root 3. And then from that negative 1, which was your center, you went down 3 root 3. Getting a decimal negative 1 plus 5.5, 5.2 would be approximately 4.2. Yep, that looks about right. And then negative 1 minus square root of 27 is going to be approximately negative 6.2. Yeah, that looks about right. The closer your C on your foci, the closer that the foci are to the vertices, the more spread, like long you're going to be. The closer these are to the center, the more circular you're going to be. That was called the eccentricity.